Hey Gilbert, my name is Brandon and I'm from Sublime SEO Pro. I'm the founder of Sublime SEO Pro, and Tina had me go ahead and send you this video. And in this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 tips and tricks so that you can outrank your top competitor online. So when we type in HVAC company in Thornton, here's what the front page of Google looks like. Now I know what you're probably thinking. You may have heard this over and over and over. And I get that. I totally get that. And that's why I'm making this video, okay, to separate myself. So you can take this information and do whatever you would like with it. You can run with this info and get it done yourself with your own team, and that is totally fine with me. If you have questions or need help with it, you can reach out. Either way you choose to do, no harm, no foul. I'm just trying to add some value. And if you need help with it, let me know, okay? So the first thing I want to go over with you of the 3 tips is content. So content is king when it comes to Google. The average website on Google has 1,500 words on their homepage, okay? So your website looks great, but I'm not convinced that it actually is driving business to you. It's serving probably more like a business card, a digital business card. So we need to get your website up to 1,500 words. That would be a good starting point if I were you. So get your website up to 1,500 words, but it matters what content is on your home page. You need what is called buyer intent keywords. So these are words that people are searching for on Google when they're looking for your services. So what I'm going to do is compare your website right here to the top competitor. So when we type in HVAC company in Thornton, the number 1 company, so this is Yelp, this is Angie's List, this is Expertise, the actual number 1 company that's rated for or ranked for on Google is this company right here. So I've pulled up their website and I've pulled up your website. So what I'm going to do is look at this tool called Ahrefs. So this is a paid tool that you can use, or you can use a free tool if you'd like. But with this tool, we can see how many keywords you have within your website. So you have 19 keywords in your website. Here's your top competitor, 303 Heat. They have 225 keywords per website. So this is a big reason why they're showing up at the top of Google and why you're not, okay? So what I would do is look at their keywords and figure out which ones are buyer intent keywords. So air conditioning repair in Brighton, that is buyer intent, because if somebody needs their AC repaired in Brighton, they're probably going to type this in, along with a lot of these other ones. How long does it take to install a furnace? Not so much. That gets 350 search volume per month, but that's not going to drive people to your site because they're probably going to try to do that themselves. Okay, so that's the first thing. Get your website up to 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, and get all of the keywords, buyer intent keywords, as you can within this website. And you can just go to your top competitor right here and get all the buyer intent keywords that they have, and then some. Add more than what they have. Okay, the next thing I'm going to talk to you guys about is our backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere in a website that links back to yours. Okay, so we call these shout outs. So if you have your website, linking from a blog or anywhere like that somebody can click on and go back to your site, and that is called a backlink. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. Google is looking for trustworthy and relevant backlinks from companies that are within your service sector or industry. So other HVAC companies, plumbing companies, insurance companies, restoration companies. You can't just link yourself to a Pizza Hut because Google knows that you're not in the food industry. So how do you get backlinks? So here is your website right here. You have 219 backlinks, which is a great start. And you have 35 different websites linking to you. So 219 from 35 websites. Now, let's look at your top competitor. They have 225, you had 219. Okay, so that's pretty darn close. But as you can see, they're getting more traffic. So it's probably a lot, big reason is because of the keywords. But not all backlinks are created equal. Just because you have more backlink, well, actually, they have 6 more, but it's pretty much the same. Just because you have more backlinks doesn't mean that they're all created equal. They, again, like I said, they need to be relevant backlinks. So what I would do is find out how many backlinks that these guys are ranking for are relevant websites and go into these. So this is a HVAC company. That's great. This is a heating and air company, top competitors, 303 Heat, ultimate secret of emergency heating repair. So all these look like they're relevant. So go into these, list yourself, create an account, get your website listed and linked, and that is considered a backlink. So you can go one by one and go through all of your top competitors' backlinks and add yourself to all of them and more. Okay? And the last thing I want to talk to you guys about is getting yourself listed on this Google Map Pack. So you guys, I notice, are based in Thornton, or at least I believe so. So HVAC company in Thornton. Here's what pops up. Impact Heating and Cooling has this #1 spot. To beat them out, you need to list yourself in more directories than them. That's called a citation. So citations are what is important here. So if they're in 200 directories, you need to find out what directories they're in, add yourself to all the same directories, and then add yourself to even more directories than what they're currently in. So a directory is anything that you can list your business name, address, and phone number in and cite yourself in. Okay? So quick recap, all you got to do is add your, get more content on your page with buyer intent keywords, 1,500 to 2,000 words, and get more keywords than the top competitor, and then get more backlinks than your top competitor, and get more citations than your top competitor. It's not going to happen overnight. It takes some time. Even when you do get all these things done, it takes some time for Google to rank you. You have to have a lot of reviews right here, Google reviews. You have to have a Google My Business account to get this done as well. There's a lot of things that go into this, but at least you can start here if you would like to. So you can run with this information, and the sooner you start, the sooner you will get more business from your website. If you need help or you have questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I would love any feedback that you have, and I'd love to help. If you think I can help, please reach out and we can see if it makes sense to work together. I like to work with people that I like and that I can help. If you don't need my help, that is great. But if you do, I would love to help you. Okay? Have a great day, and I appreciate your time. Thanks so much.